If you've got a pressure washer wand that's leaking from this point right here, don't fret. It's an easy fix and I'm going to show you how it's done. With the wand removed from the machine, just unscrew it at this joint right here. Now, I've loosened this with a wrench, that's why it looks so easy. But it's not hard at all. Most likely failure point is going to be right here because there's a small O-ring in this section of the wand. I'll point that out to you real quick. It's right down in here. You might not be able to see it on the video, but trust me, you'll see it when you've got it in your hands. Just pop that O-ring out, and on mine you can see the failure point is quite obvious. Time to replace that O-ring. There's another O-ring on the other side of that connection that may or may not be bad. Mine's not bad, so I'm not going to replace it. Yours might be, so you might want to replace it. Keep on going. If you're lucky, your pressure washer might have come with an O-ring kit like this, which is going to make finding the correct O-ring a lot easier. But if you don't have an O-ring kit like this, get yourself a caliper and just measure it. Make sure you get the exact size. With the new O-ring in hand, we're just going to take it, slip it over that little nozzle point there, and just kind of roll it into place. Just like that, it couldn't be any easier. Now we've got the two halves of our wand, so basically we just have to screw them back together. Pretty simple. But before we do that, I always put Teflon tape on those threads just to make sure everything seals up a little tighter, make sure we have no water leaks. Now it's just a matter of lining everything up, screwing them back together, and then tightening it up with a wrench. The finished product should look something like this, basically meaning your wand should look like it did when you got started, other than the fact that it won't be leaking anymore. That's it. Video's over, time to get back to work.